previously looked at 2 case studies of quantity-based cap and trade schemes in action. So what about price-based carbon taxes? Let's visit South Africa for an example. South Africa is responsible for almost half of all greenhouse gas emissions in Africa and is currently the 12th largest emitter of carbon dioxide globally. A national carbon tax is scheduled to be implemented in early 2017 to help the country meet its emissions reduction targets. In South Africa, the sectors of transport, power, manufacturing and construction are together responsible for around 80% of national carbon dioxide emissions. These sectors will all be liable under the carbon tax. The scope of the tax is broad, covering 6 recognised greenhouse gases. It's expected to cover 1,000 to 1,500 companies and 75% of the country's total emissions. South Africa's carbon tax will start at approximately $10 per tonne of CO2 equivalent, increasing by 10% each year until it's reviewed in 2019. In its initial phase, the policy provides a 60% tax-free threshold. This means that only 40% of a company's emissions will be taxable under the scheme. Additional relief is given to sectors with limited opportunities to reduce emissions, and to companies that choose to offset their emissions. As the policy matures, the tax-free threshold will be reduced. This design feature buffers businesses from any sudden shifts in the economy and mimics the allocation of free allowances in an emissions trading scheme. By now, you've probably observed some differences and similarities in the design of the carbon pricing policies in the European Union, China, and South Africa. The comparison table below this video highlights some of these. But these are just 3 case studies of emissions trading schemes and carbon taxes in action. There are many more from other countries and regions. You can explore some of these using the Carbon101x climate policy map. Does your country have a carbon pricing policy in place?